When I open the Beanstack app, it'll show me all the current things that I can sign up for. So I just click on Summer Adventure 2020. Then it tells me I can select the school because I haven't been registered for this yet. So if you're an adult, you can just hit adult. So from the Beanstack app, I'm looking for Summer Adventure 2020 that starts on June 1st. So now I'm going to log in a book. I'm going to make sure to choose the right reader. You can add multiple readers into one account. And then I'm going to scan the ISBN, which is a really nice feature. Say you allow the camera access. And there we go. I'm not going to track the progress of this book because I already finished reading it. I would recommend just doing it after you've finished the book. And then I'm going to hit Quick Log as complete. All right, and since I've done this for a while, I already have 5 books read. So I got a badge. All right, now we're going to talk about challenges, which is the same thing as what's on the bingo card. So I'm going to log in an activity. Same reader. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on one that I did. The first one's graphic novels. I'm going to say I read a graphic novel. And there we go, I've earned a badge, so that means I get extra raffle tickets. I can only complete the activity once. Let's try another one. I read YA. And yes, I did read a novel that was really good. I just read the prequel for The Hunger Games. So I'm going to do the Ballad of Songs and Snakes. By Suzanne Collins. Sorry, I'm a terrible typist. Then just hit save. And there you go. I earned another badge. So it can show which badges I've already earned, my activities, and I can also write reviews from here.